Hi everyone. Today I'm going to unbox metal wind chime brought through online shopping, and I'm going to show you about the different types of wind chimes, the right number of rods a wind chime should consist of, and the right place to hang these wind chimes according to your works, requirements and desires. A wind chime size should be chosen according to the space where you want to hang the wind chime. For indoors, a very big wind chime is not preferred, while a very small wind chime may not be good enough for outdoors or for a very large room. Metal wind chimes. Through this diagram, let us assume that front or entrance of your office or home is facing east direction. Metal wind chimes can be hanged in west, northwest and north areas. Wooden wind chimes. Wooden wind chimes must be hanged in the east, southeast and south places. Hanging metal wind chime in these areas should be avoided. Ceramic wind chimes. Ceramic wind chimes can be hanged in southwest, northeast, and central areas. Glass wind chimes. Glass wind chimes are used in southwest and northeast areas. 5-rod wind chimes are used especially in places where there is illness and quarrelsome, where there are 3 doors in a row. A 5-rod wind chime is hung on the middle door. If there is a tree or pole or some poison arrows from neighborhood pointed at your door, you may hang a 5-rod wind chime in between. 6, 7, 8 or 9-rod metal wind chime. 6, 7, 8 or 9-rod metal wind chimes bring more energy into your home when hanged in west or in northwest or in north areas. 6 or 8 rods are used for luck enhancement and for removing the bad luck. 9-rod wooden wind chimes. According to Feng shui, the ruling number of south is 9, so wooden wind chimes with 9 rods are preferred in the south areas. Hanging a wind chime in this place of your home will attract fame and popularity. For bringing more life, hanging metal wind chimes at the entrance of a home brings more life and vitality into your home. Hanging a 2 or 9 rod ceramic or pottery wind chime in southwest area of your home improves relationship luck. Hanging a 6 or 7 rod metal wind chime in west will improve your children's luck. To get good support from a mentor, hang a 6 or 7 rod metal wind chime in northwest sector of your home. You understood the different types of wind chimes and the right wind chime to be placed in the right area. Now the unboxed wind chime, I'm going to place it as per my requirement. This is my entrance of the home facing east direction. and I'm going to place in northwest direction. So here is the northwest place. I'm ready with my ladder and I'm going to hang this metal 6-rod metal wind chime here, and I am done. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more latest updates. Please like and share. Take care. Bye bye.